I'm just gonna take a video of our death. Our death is gonna be less awesome than I expected. Oh my god.
How impressed are you so far, Steve?
I give us a 50-50 shot of getting out of the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Only that plow hadn't come through.
There's a wall up against the side of my car. It was not going anywhere.
I thought you were gonna hit that neighbor guy's car. I was excited about that.
Nope.
Just a little bit.
Too much professionalism here for that.
Of course.
And you'll be glad. 99% of people would not be driving your ass over this.
Dave, I'm fully aware. If we get to a point at which you decide that I can't make it, I'm just going to call. I'm going to call and be like, hey, the thing about me making it to work,
we're going to see how it is on Braddock.
It's going to be awesome on
If it's like this on Braddock, we're turning around.
Yeah, you
what
make
is this?
that decision.
This is a
tree.
Holy shit, by the way, like when the power went out for a little bit, there was the brightest blue flash I have ever seen. I could not see, like, it was like TV's, like Steve's TV screen was everywhere. It was a huge zap noise. I mean, I think a transistor blew out somewhere, but...
Maybe a Vorlon died.
Vorlon died.
In the snow, alone.
Oh, Lord.
Happened once.
Yeah, if you decide to make the call, I'll call them and be like, I'm trapped in Regent Square. There's no way I can make it. And if they don't like that, they can shove it up their ass.
I mean, this might be the worst I've ever driven in.
I'm excited.
This looks pretty
Where's
bad.
the fucking road? What the fuck? This is old school shit is what this is.
See, this is what I miss, and now that it's happening, I'm so sad that you're taking me home.
Air beads are ruining everything.
We're supposed to get like another foot tomorrow.
You should go driving in that, so then that'll be the most
That
extreme
means
conditions
I probably
you've
won't
ever
get to
driven
do
in.
any plans tomorrow.
Yeah, Steve, if you want to go anywhere tomorrow, you said you wanted to do drinking with Rocky and Rob. You better start digging your car out now.
He's not wrong.
Yeah.
There was about 3 feet of snow on mine. Piled up around it anyways because of the plow.
It's like, if anyone's
Jesus
gonna...
Christ, this is just driving through a solid... We're going that way now.
Sweet drift.
We're going that way now.
Did we see a car up there?
There was a car ahead of us.
That's brutal. You should slide this.
It's hard to do that on old brick roads. They're sons of bitches usually.
How bad do you need to go to work, Sean? Be straight with me.
I don't really want to.
There's a car there.
I didn't say that. I said, how bad do you need to go to work?
Need to?
Because I'm giving this 50-50 right now. I'm going to let you make the call.
I think we should take the interstate, because once we get on the interstate, it'll be traffic.
I'd rather
out.
you make the call, because I don't really... I hate CVS.
Can I make the call?
But...
Yeah, you make the call.
Let's do it. Let's drive
Alright.
in the snow.
Alright. I think we'll be alright. Jesus Christ, look at this.
Just slamming the brakes for fun.
No, we're not for fun. Test. This is about as fast as we're going. The whole way. More concerned about down lines and shit.
Just run over a power line. I think that's the ramp.
That's the ramp right there.
You can tell because some other car went that way a little bit ago. Just kick it.
I still leave it up to you.
Extreme.
This is your car. If you don't feel safe going to Oakland, I don't feel safe going to work. Although, again, you passed on the decision to Steve and said we're doing it.
Look at that. Some other car did it.
Some other cars that are not plows.
You know, we just went fast enough for the locks to kick in.
I didn't know you had a speed that was the lock speed.
Yeah, 15 miles an hour.
Well, there's no turning back now. Look at that car. Look at that car up there.
Dude, I don't even think you can crash in anything. There's so much snow.
You're not gonna hit anything hard enough to die.
Are you videotaping everything?
Oh yeah.
More worried about getting stuck than anything else. Not super worried about that because we got a shovel in the back and we can just dig down to solid earth. But fucking Christ, a spot for me out back that way, Steve. Can't imagine
no
there's
cars.
any other cars.
No other cars on the road other than that one guy who was a badass.
Sane people driving. I don't think.
Signs are no longer signs. They're just snow.
This is by far the dumbest thing we've ever done.
I disagree.
Sadly, I agree with Steve.
That time you went
What
to
is the
Philadelphia.
actual dumbest thing? Well, I'm talking about actually just dangerous, stupid things. Like in terms of potentially destroying expensive property.
See, I think if you decided to go to gun it, that would be the most dangerous, stupid thing you've ever done. Like,
I'm gonna do
I'm
that.
just gonna drive right down the middle.
Huh.
There's no reason why you can't. It's not like you won't see the cars coming behind
This is
you.
I-376. It looks like nothing.
It's like a desert of snow.
It's like fucking Zombieland. This is like fucking Zombieland.
This is
Silent Hill.
We don't want, if we see anything moving at a fast speed from any of our, from the right or the left, there's a problem.
I got a shovel in the back. I'm good.
You got a car first, so we gotta fucking not open the doors.
Silent Hill, that's not gonna help much. They'll already be in the trunk of Silent Hill.
That's true.
Pyramid Head just like comes up over the back
I need to
seat.
see what Pyramid
Just grabs
is.
Steve's head and just twists it off.
I need to see what Pyramid is, because the only thing I have ever noticed or acknowledged Pyramid Head to be was that one, fuck, we have to go through the tunnel. What if the tunnel's like
gonna be fun.
snowed over?
I can't imagine the tunnel will provide.
You know it's gonna be awesome when you're going 55 through the
Can you
tunnel.
like be to the side, Steve?
Oh,
Fine, rear view mirror.
yeah. Trying to get a good
I'm aware.
angle for when we
It's so
Really,
important
my-
that this
my
YouTube
eye is-
video is minty and fresh and posted.
It does.
Like us driving when we shouldn't be. Yay!
I just want
call
everybody
it
to know that it's still snowing.
I'm aware.
It is still snowing.
It's over. What?
Don't die on us. Don't coughing like that. What will Jill say? She'll fucking kill you if you die.
So anyway, what we do is we get going 55 or so, and then you just plow into a wall of snow coming out the other side of the tunnel.
We need a cameraman set up on the other side that catches when we come out.
Let's
do it.
Your tires may be covered with so much snow.
My car still really doesn't like going very fast in four-wheel drive mode.
Too bad we do.
Sure, Steve.
Yeah, that sound it's making, it shouldn't be making that sound.
Get to the other side, it's just a wall of snow. You can't see out.
You know what we do, Steve? You know what we do?
We make a snow tunnel.
Put her in reverse. No, you fuckers would make a snow tunnel. I fucking dug the 3-foot snowdrift out from my car already. Thanks for helping.
I asked if we could help, and I was told you had it covered. That there was
I did.
only
In
one
fact,
shovel.